What's up, my friends? We're here again to see another home in the Key collection. It's called The Bloom. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage, 1,487 square foot. Again, plenty of open space. Let's turn this camera around and check it out. So what did you think of that home, my friends? I hope you enjoyed it. This is The Bloom. Again, part of our Key collection here in Polk County. It is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage with 1,487 square foot. And if you'd like to work with me directly, Big George, call 727-542-7773. And we'll help you find the right home in the right location. I'll see you guys on the next video. Have a great day. If you're enjoying this video and you'd like to see more of it, click subscribe, hit the like button, and leave a message down below. I'm happy to answer any of your questions, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video.